Are you okay? Yeah? You've been crying. No. Do you want to talk about it? No. Do you want a hug? Yeah.
You can thank me after finishing this video. People often talk about overthinking in a very negative way, but you know what's going on in their mind. They don't want you to use the powerful strength hidden in your subconscious mind simply because you would become a strong competitor to them. I'm here to give you the map and the steps you need to follow. Like I did in the last video, I will try to keep it as short as possible. I will give you the most important points you will need. And of course, if you like this topic, I can make another part and go deeper into it. Comment when needed if you want more. By the way, I am the maze master. My job is to help people get out of the maze. And this is not just any maze. It's the maze of life. I will help you discover new secrets and ideas. And I will make sure to change your life, financially, mentally, and physically. If this is your first time watching me, don't forget to follow me, because we might not meet again. I feel excited. Let's begin. If you control your subconscious mind, you can control your future. Everyone says that overthinking causes headaches, distracts you, and stops you from making progress in life and so on, but there is just a nonsense. First, why does overthinking give you a headache? It's because you don't control it. Instead, you waste all your energy thinking about silly things. What you eat, what you drink, what you play, what you wear. But you don't ask yourself how to make the most of your day, how to focus in your studies, how to make your body stronger, or how to improve your charisma to become more attractive. Sorry, but you are not thinking clearly. Why? Because if you use your overthinking to focus on these important things, in just 6 months, you could become a completely different person, a powerful force that can't be stopped. I will give you 3 key points to control your overthinking and make it work for you. First point, writing. I don't want you to write a whole newspaper. Just write 3 sentences before you go to sleep. I want you to write down the most important task you want to do tomorrow. I will do. Write down what you will actually do tomorrow. I must do. Write down the 3 things you must do tomorrow. One of these things should always be exercise. I'm an athlete and I know how important exercise is. Another thing is to spend just 1 hour a day learning a language you need. Focus on this 1 hour every day. After a month, you will have spent 30 hours learning it. After 2 months, you will have spent 60 hours. After 6 months, you will have spent 180 hours. Do you know how big this number is? It's like 7.5 days of non-stop learning. After a year, you will speak the language like a native speaker. I will be really upset if you don't use this time now, because you will regret it. Accumulation builds momentum, and when you combine them, the results are amazing. I want you to practice meditation, but not like monks or any extreme. Just sit quietly with yourself without your phone or any distraction. Close your eyes, relax and clear your mind for 5 minutes. Focus on breathing in and out deeply during the first minute, and then just relax. I promise, after you open your eyes, you will feel relaxed and changed. This is the most important point. Learn how to direct your overthinking in the right direction. For example, if you have an exam at the end of the month,
oh my god, even though from oh my god.
And when you start studying, your mind wanders to other things. You need to tell yourself, I'm here to focus on studying. Once you're done, you can let your mind think about other things. Your mind will follow your instructions because it doesn't have any choices. This applies to exercise and many other areas as well. Here's proof that the problem is not with your overthinking, but with how to use it. When a big problem occurs, do you start thinking about other things or how to solve the problem? Of course, you think about solving it and find a solution. This shows that your mind is a powerful tool that you need to use it wisely. I told you at the beginning that you can control your future because you can plan ahead and be prepared. Even if you face a setback, you will have already planned for it, so it won't be as painful as if you hadn't prepared at all. Now, you have learned the 3 points. I haven't shown you how to control your future. Remember, the future is in God's hands, but you need to do your part and He will support you. We all have a strong version of ourselves inside. If you learn how to use the power of your subconscious mind, you can reach the highest level. To control your subconscious mind, you need to follow some steps, which I will explain. But first, let me tell you why the subconscious mind is so powerful.
Does everybody have like a little indentation, a little wrinkle that goes across there? And you'll have one on the other side as well. And here's what I'd like you to do. I'd like you to line those up perfectly and then put your hands together like that. You're going to find that one of your hands is a little longer than the other. Take your shorter hand and put it in front of your face. So I want you to look at your hand and we're going to say out loud in unison 8 times, grow longer. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Grow longer, grow longer, grow longer. Grow longer, grow longer, grow longer, grow longer, grow longer. Okay, stop. Line them up exactly the same as before and notice what happened. How many of you found that it did get longer? Very good. So what this shows us is the power of our intention and the power of our minds over physical matter, starting with our body, and we see that we actually have that power over physical matter all throughout the universe.
Simply put, your subconscious mind makes up a big part of your brain and handles everything your body needs to survive. This power given to you by God is something you should use. It controls everything like eating, memories, and even your heartbeat. That's why it's so powerful, so don't be surprised. When you control your subconscious mind, you also control your body, energy, and mood, which means your life will change dramatically. You decide whether overthinking will affect you or not. I will give you steps to help you control your subconscious mind. Your mind can tell the difference between what's real and what's not. If you tell yourself, I'm weak, your mind will believe it, and this will affect your body, energy, and mood. So you need to practice speaking positively to yourself. Instead of saying, I'm weak or I'm ugly, say the opposite. I'm smart, I'm strong, I'm handsome, or if you are a woman, say I'm beautiful. This will help you control your subconscious mind. Repeat positive and strong words daily to yourself, like I'm strong, I'm smart, I can become rich, and nothing can stop me. Pay close attention to this point. I don't want to go into more detail, but I don't want to overload you with too much information. It's better if you apply what I've already shared with you first. After that, I can make another video with a complete guide on the topic. Your subconscious mind can believe what you tell it. Repeating positive phrases can help build self-confidence and achieve success. Negative thoughts affect your performance, so you should repeat positive thoughts to succeed in different areas of your life. If you have watched this far, thank you. And if you like this video, share with your friend and follow me for more. I promise to change your life financially, mentally, and physically. I'm the master of the maze. Life is the maze. See you again.